Hi kids, today our topic is my daily routine. First, my name is. You have to write your name in first line. Next, I always get up early in the morning. First, I brush my teeth daily. After that, I do some exercise. Then I get ready for school. Next, I take my breakfast. At 8 o'clock, I go to school and study there. I come back from school at 2 p.m. After that, I take my lunch and take some rest. I complete my homework around 4 p.m. In the evening, I play with my friends. I also help my mother in household work. Around 8 o'clock, I take my dinner with my family. At last, at 9 o'clock, I go to sleep. Friends, now you can write your own daily routine. I hope so. It will help you to write your daily routine. Thank you.